Get ready for a deep dive into the world of finance and tech stocks. Today, we are talking about the latest market trends and some fascinating developments in the world of AI. Now, you might be wondering, why the sudden interest in the stock market? Well, it's all about the Dow Jones Industrial Average and its recent record-breaking close. The blue chip index just hit an all-time high, and this has got investors buzzing. But here's the twist. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the story behind the numbers and the impact of AI on the market. First, let's talk about the Dow's impressive performance. The index gained a solid 0.49%, marking its fifth consecutive positive day. This is a big deal because it's not just a one-off, it's a consistent trend. And what's driving this? Well, it's the good old earnings season. Companies are reporting strong results, and investors are loving it. But there's a twist here too. AI is making a grand entrance onto the stage. Elon Musk's SpaceX is a prime example. Their earnings call revealed a significant shift towards AI, with a six-fold increase in capital expenditures, totaling $18.4 billion. This is huge. It shows that AI is not just a buzzword but a serious investment focus. And it's not just SpaceX. Nvidia is also in the game, with a 3% rally after Musk's endorsement of their chips. This is a clear indication that AI is becoming a strategic priority for companies, and the market is taking notice. But here's where it gets interesting. While AI is driving the market, it's also causing some volatility. Tech stocks, in particular, are experiencing a pullback as investors take profits. Advanced Micro Devices and Alphabet are feeling the heat. This raises a question: is the market overreacting, or is this a necessary correction? Personally, I think it's a bit of both. AI is a long-term game changer, but its impact on individual stocks can be unpredictable. What many people don't realize is that AI investments can have a ripple effect across the market, affecting various sectors and industries. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the broader economic landscape. Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook is keeping a close eye on inflation. She's prepared to hike interest rates if necessary, which is a significant statement. This shows that the Fed is committed to keeping inflation in check, even if it means taking bold actions. But here's the catch: the longer inflation stays high, the harder it becomes to control. This is a delicate balance, and it's a crucial factor for investors to consider. As we look ahead, earnings season continues to dominate the headlines. With companies like Warner Bros. Discovery, Airbnb, and Lyft set to report, investors are eagerly awaiting their results. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the stories these companies tell. Will they surprise us with AI-driven strategies? Only time will tell. In the world of stocks, every day brings new twists and turns. We've seen companies like AppLovin and Western Digital struggle in after-hours trading due to disappointing projections. This is a reminder that the market is a living, breathing entity, constantly reacting to news and expectations. What this really suggests is that investors need to stay agile and adaptable, ready to pivot with the market's ever-changing dynamics. So, what's the takeaway here? The stock market is a fascinating arena where AI is making its mark. It's a place where earnings drive excitement, but also where caution is warranted. As an analyst, I find this a thrilling time to observe and interpret these trends. The market is sending us signals, and it's up to us to decipher them. So, stay tuned, because the story of AI and the stock market is just getting started.